Hello everyone, welcome to the first question in the life section. So this is white to play, the objective is to live. This is a very classic pattern and I cover this in my lesson 211 as well. So the correct answer is to play here in the middle. This move guarantees one real eye on each side. So black can't really come in and destroy the eye, right? So 2 and 3 are interchangeable, or me eye, and 4 and 5 as well. So the method here is what I would call build two eyes. When you're trying to make a living shape, you should keep track and organize your thoughts, right? You should be able to count 1 and 2, two real eyes, and that's how you make a living shape. What's notable here is that the wrong move will be to try to increase the eye space. To increase the eye space, white will play here. But in this case, it's a very special corner bent 4 pattern. Black will play here. Note that if black plays here, then white will be able to make a living shape this way. But because this is on the corner, black can play this, white will continue to increase the eye space. But here, black will play number 4. And I covered this pattern in my lesson 209. And I explained in detail why this is a dead pattern for white, not mutual life or seki. So you're welcome to check out that video and leave any questions in the comments below. So once again, the correct answer is the 1-1 point right here. If you got it right, congratulations. Things are only gonna get slightly more challenging with every question. If you got it wrong, don't worry. You have plenty of chances to get things right. Good luck and see you next time.